4O. Year said. NCERT Recommend 2024 Describe Hindi. ChatGPT said. ChatGPT. The NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training, requirements or syllabus for 2024 in Hindi are part of the curriculum followed in schools affiliated with the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, and many state boards in India. NCERT designs the syllabus and textbooks, ensuring that they are in line with educational standards and objectives set by the National Curriculum Framework, NCF. Key aspects of NCERT Hindi curriculum for 2024. Curriculum structure. The Hindi curriculum is structured to cater to different classes from class 1 to class 12. The syllabus is divided into various sections such as prose, poetry, and supplementary readings. In the lower grades, classes 1 to 5, the focus is on building language skills, including reading, writing, and basic grammar. In the middle and higher classes, classes 6 to 12, the syllabus includes more advanced literary texts, comprehensive grammar, and creative writing exercises. Textbooks. NCERT provides textbooks that are carefully designed to include a variety of prose and poetry from classical and contemporary Hindi literature. For instance, in higher classes, the textbooks like Kritika, Sparsh, Antral, and Written are used. These books include works by prominent Hindi authors, poets, and essayists, exposing students to diverse literary styles and cultural contexts. Learning objectives. The Hindi curriculum aims to develop linguistic and communicative competence in students. It encourages students to appreciate the richness of the Hindi language and literature, understand cultural diversity, and express their thoughts creatively in Hindi. There is also an emphasis on improving critical thinking, comprehension, and analytical skills through the study of literature. Assessment. The assessment structure typically includes periodic tests, assignments, projects, and final exams. The exams assess various competencies like reading comprehension, creative writing, grammar, and literature analysis. Updates for 2024. Any updates or changes to the Hindi curriculum for 2024 would likely include revised content in line with the new education policies, if applicable. NCERT occasionally updates textbooks and curriculum to reflect new pedagogical approaches and to keep the content relevant to contemporary issues. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to check the official NCERT website or the latest notifications from CBSE regarding the 2024 curriculum. 4O. Year said. NCERT Recommend 2024, Hindi Meanings. ChatGPT said. ChatGPT. It seems you are asking for the Hindi meanings of the term, NCERT requirements for 2024. Here's how you can express it in Hindi. NCERT requirements for 2024. 2024 के लिए NCERT की आवश्यकताएं. 2024 के लिए NCERT की आवश्यकताएं. This phrase refers to the guidelines, syllabus, and academic standards set by the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, for the year 2024. If you need further explanation or translation of specific terms related to NCERT requirements, feel free to ask. 4O. ChatGPT can M.